everyone, my name is Chanel and welcome back to Hair and Beyond. Now for today's video, I am going to be telling you how I get my twist to be moisturized. As you can see, it looks really shiny and moist. So for this video, I'm going to be using the same 4 hair products that I told you about in the last video. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please go ahead and check that video out so you can get some more information about the 4 products that I do use in my hair. So I will be going over some tips and stuff like that, as well as giving you a tutorial on how I do moisturize my twists, okay? So before I get into my video, if you haven't done so already, just hit that subscribe button right over there. And you can also hit that little bell button so when I do post my other videos, you're notified. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit.
So before I untwist my hair, I normally apply leave-in conditioner to my twist, so that way it makes the twist a bit more slippery in case I do get any tangles while I am taking it down, and I do focus a lot on the roots while doing this. Now afterwards, I do spray the hair with water before I untwist it, and I work in the leave-in conditioner and the water together so that way the twist does become damp. Then I do untwist the hair from the bottom so that way it doesn't get tangled too much while I am untwisting it, and this helps to prevent it from forming tangles while untwisting your hair, which can cause you to lose length in your hair. Afterwards, I do apply coconut milk, and I normally put about 2 to 3 pumps of it because my hair needs a lot of oil since it does get frizzy really easily. And this coconut milk does help to retain the ends of my hair since it is an anti-breakage serum, which does help the hair from breaking too much at the ends, okay? Now after, I do apply the Curl Sculpting Custard by Mielle. Now, it is really slippery, so it does help all of the product to glide onto the hair, and it helps to enhance your curls a little bit as well. Now, with this product, I do focus on getting it to the ends of the hair as well as all the way up to the roots, so that way the product does spread really well over the entire hair. Now afterwards, I do use argan oil, and I use the argan oil of Morocco, and I like it because it's a really thick oil, so it helps to weigh my hair down a little bit since my hair is really light and gets frizzy really easily. So if you have hair that does get frizzy easy or you find it really light, a thicker oil works better to make your twists last longer, and it also helps to keep your hair hydrated longer. Now after applying all the products into my hair, I do detangle from the bottom up, and I'm currently not combing out my roots between washing since I am experiencing a lot of postpartum shedding, which has caused me to lose my hairline. So instead, I do twist the hair out from the roots until halfway first, and then I detangle my ends of my hair. So if you are experiencing shedding or hair loss at the moment, I would advise you to avoid combing out your hair from the roots as much as possible, and try to only detangle your roots when you are washing your hair, and just only detangle the ends when you are refreshing your twists. Now lastly, after you refresh your twist, it's really important that you tie your hair with a silk scarf or a satin scarf so that way your hair can keep moisturized and stay neat for as long as possible. Now just remember not to pull on any tangles in your hair and try to be as gentle as possible.
So I hope you found the video really helpful on how to get really moist twists, and I can't stress it enough. It is really, really important. I stress again, really important for you to tie your hair down with a silk scarf before you go to bed, or even if you're just at home and you're not going anywhere, tie your hair down because it's really going to keep all of your oils and moisture in your hair, and it's going to help you stretch your twist longer so that way you don't have to keep doing it as often. Okay, that's kind of what I do. And now that we're at the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, just hit that like button over there, as well as share with your friends and families. And you know what, I'll see you next time on Hair and Beyond. Bye.